think Dean.
Jensen.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, because I was like, Dean would see a giant car lot of sort of Impalas. It would just, you know, it would just be black Impalas all. But Dean, or Jensen, a little different. I don't know. I don't have any preconceived notions of what heaven. I'll just.
Your favorite moments of your life.
Favorite moments of my life. Reliving those over and
Yeah.
over. Like right now. They'll all be there with me. All right, thank you.
So this is going, the little white striped guy is going to Jensen, and if there was a question that really puzzled you. Feel free to either launch it, or if someone specifically you asked a good question.
Should have been a ventriloquist.
Let's see. Well, hello.
Hey, so have you been to Italy before?
Sí, señor. Sí, sí, sí. Señor.
And apparently you're from was it Mexico?
Grazie, amici. Sí, señor. Sí.
So you're kind of a blend of Italian and Mexican. Is that?
Oui, oui, monsieur. Parlez-vous français?
Well, I would say your stripes are lovely. And are you enjoying your time here?
Grazie, sì, signor. Sì.
Okay.
Adios.
Okay. So I'm supposed to toss this out, give it out?
Yeah, toss, or if there was a really good question. Oh, the next, what do I do with this? I'm doing best Western.
Next time. All right. Well then.
What about this one? All right. Well.
So this is. I think
For next time.
I think we should name them.
All right. This would be giraffe. Long neck.
Okay. This one is Bartholomew. But you can call him Bart.
This would be Francesco.
All right, Bart.
All right.
Looking good, pal. You stay there until I come back next time.
All right.
Hey, thank you, everybody. I'm gonna. And thank you for all being part of heaven with me.
He's signing a cup. Ooh, he's drinking out of the cup. And then he's signing the cup, and it's going to be auctioned later for charity. So, his and mine both. Show the camera. This is. Eureka. All right. I'm getting on out of here. Hi, guys. Thank you. I'm keeping Aloysius here. Or Francesco.